Friends, I'm Nitin and I've been using Panasonic ER1511 trimmer for quite some time now. It's been a very good friend and recently while cleaning the head fell down and all the parts came loose. It took me 2 days to figure out how to put it back together thanks to you friends on YouTube. There were some videos which guided me, and the main part which I found is this pin gets locked under a plastic head. If it doesn't lock, then the yellow part and the black part will be not fitting close together and it won't cut hair. So now it's locked tightly and it's good to go. So just thought of making this video so that it will help you understand this mechanism. That's all from my side. Take care.